coming in the machine, you can't see anything. There's stumps everywhere. Not okay. So, I'm gonna go get the 470 after I meet my insurance guy for lunch. I'm gonna de-stump this entire hill. I'm taking every stump out of here with that 470.
Good call.
This is frustrating. So, Matt will come out and lay it out, but if you come up here and you look at this view, this is Tennessee, right above the Georgia line, Chattanooga, between Atlanta, Knoxville, and Nashville. And we've got this pretty mountain range in the background. And so what we're gonna do is we own a little bit further in the woods, so we're gonna get the platform built on the treehouse. Again, it's roughly 24 by, I think we're sticking with like 26 or something like that total. Cabin, treehouse, we're gonna call it treehouse. Then we're gonna thin out some of these trees with the logger after we have the platform out. Build us some really pretty views off here that are vegetated, vegetate these hillsides. Hopefully do some hunting out of the cabin, all the doors will slide. The idea is our shop will be down there for the slaughterhouse, and we can just take the deer right down there and process them and then bring them right back up here and cook them. So I think it's gonna be really nice when it's done. Just got a lot of cleanup and de-stumping, and today's not the day. So see you guys in a couple hours once Matt gets here. Hope you have a good time. I gotta get some lunch.
So what are we doing here?
Doing a little laying out of the cabin that we're fixing to build that we showed you in films. We're gonna hopefully turn it so it's overlooking that way a little bit. I think we do need to turn this thing a little bit more. I think we can have a great, gorgeous view of the Dunlap Mountains over there.
Them rolling hills of Tennessee, baby.
Rolling mountains of Tennessee. All right, Knox. I can almost see the farm from here. Yeah. Hey, turn. Go pick that end up. Okay.
So we just outlining the outside, or is that the...
No, this is going to be it. So you can see right here, just from that line to there, 6 foot, it's going to be a little porch. It goes all the way across the front.
Okay, that's where it'll be.
This is going to be a landing out here.
For the stairs?
Stairs, it'll come down this way.
That's nice. I got it in slow mo.
Dusty, it's crunchy, and I think I hit that tree like 4 times with this.
I saw that tree's moving and Knox and he just hit it. Side.
Man.
Yeah, I said, you got balls of steel. And somebody was like, It did get it, man.
We saw the tree waving.
I couldn't feel the tree. Dang it, man, that looked good too. Like that wasn't even in it before. I was like on the phone. I was.
You were doing good, and then when you swung, it was when you got it.
I get it like 4 times. I was like, I saw the leaves. I never felt the tree.
You couldn't even feel it.
Good thing it wasn't a brand new machine. Golly, that makes me mad though, because it looks so right. Maybe I can find.
I didn't get the body.
No, I mean it barely. It just
Yeah. That boat's out.
I'll find some walk boards for it. That just makes me mad because it looks so good.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta
I left one here.
Yeah.
Are we?
Cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers. Cause if you don't run this town, they walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
And that TikTok, that little Mexican guy, he starts singing that song. He goes, "Mighty on the plane like a ding dong."
What does he go again?
Mighty on the plane. Hang on, I gotta pull that shit up.
You ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, yeah. You ain't gonna outrun me, yeah. When I was younger, my mama said, gotta make your green and you'll be seeing red. Cause if you ain't got none, well, nobody gon' come for you. She would tell me tales that would leave me scared, so I made sure to get it through my head. I'm either gonna run this town or walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
I'm coming home.
You ain't gonna outrun me.
All set?